Senate ni umubasorero bakwanira igoro y'Obotumeki Bwa Ai Kenya gwetera artificial intelligence AI ase ogwikirania oseri gwikirania obokoreri aimeyense umusenate we county ya Busia Okiyo Mtata ni gaerera obuya bw'okoigeka ase AI bunense nabo igogotwara obumanyi gusigotwara abamanyi b'omuroberio OYIO engana bo igoya irwe okobokora umusenate we county ya Nandi Aaron Cheriot.
Madam Speaker, AI is an application, but it requires a talent pipeline and a reverse to the brain drain. The concept of taking our young people, the strong and able people out in the name of jobs should be curbed by creating conditions at home where that labor can be used to produce goods and services. Talent is a major bottleneck in the development of an AI hub in this country. Despite our having a savvy youth bulge, Kenya faces a serious shortage of specialized AI experts, and without a critical mass of researchers, engineers, and architects, the nation will remain a consumer of AI, not a creator. Because AI basically relies on the data that is fed into the system. So we must come up with even innovative things like creating apprenticeships in industry, whereby you can create a bridging between industry and academia to be able to develop the local capacity to generate homegrown solutions or homegrown AI products.
Madam Speaker, the artificial intelligence is here to live with us, and I want to agree with my colleagues who have indicated that AI play a critical role in gender, in parliament, in democracy, in elections. And you remember the case of Precambrian during the 2017 analytic Cambrica, even the evolution of AI has been very steady. Madam Speaker, it has to note that artificial intelligence also is being used in war. You have noted, Madam Speaker, that even the ongoing war between Iran and America, artificial intelligence is being used largely. So AI will become part and parcel of our life.